So what should be the emergency response in case of a cyber crisis? So there are different actions like containment of the crisis. First, we should try to contain what are the crisis is. Then the communication to all concerns, coordination of efforts with coordinating with different actors involved in this. Business continuity plan, so that there is minimal disruption and the essential services are started again. Then there is detailed analysis of the crisis event, and finally learning from the crisis. So whatever the crisis was in future, we should not able to repeat the same thing. So broadly it can be divided into action level can be divided into two levels: actions within the organization and actions beyond an organization. So action within the organization is where the point the crisis has occurred, and beyond the organization means that point of coordination between multiple agencies and stakeholders. And actions within an organization can be also placed in three types, like in the form of crisis management, whatever the different SOPs there, what are the SOPs there they are undertaken. Second is ensuring complete alignment with the national crisis management plan, whatever the plan they have prepared in accordance with the certain, and they are following that thing. And implementing of the crisis, whatever the plan they have created also, was they should test it, like it's not just a document and kept somewhere. So whatever they plan, they should prepare some mock drill, mock exercises, and they should practice it before. How can we work together for effective cyber crisis management? See, cyber crisis management, we have started different initiatives like empanelment of IT security auditors. On our website, we have a list of impanel organizations. So we can see that list, and you can get your organization audited there. And then proactive and timely security alerts and advices. We are regularly issuing different security alerts and advices, so you can surely go through there, and whatever the things are, they could patch their systems. Then there are vulnerability notes that is also available on our website. We have one Cyber Swachhta Kendra. This is actually a botnet removal which provides certain softwares which you can download and run in your PC. So what it does that if there any botnet is available, as I already mentioned earlier, botnets are certain small programs which are controlled by third party. So they can be removed from there. And finally, there is Cyber Threat Intelligence Exchange platform. Now we will see that development and implementation of sector cyber assessment CCMPs. Like different sectors have different threats level, the threat requirements, like their threat may be little different, and what are the responses, they will be little different. So in line with the CCMP plan of certain, they may prepare their own sectoral cyber crisis management plan. And finally, cyber security exercises to enable, we are organizing. So in the last, I will tell you the mail ID. So kindly send your request. We will surely conduct one. See, organization can help certain in securing the cyber security space. So you can surely help, like duly reporting the security incidents. The incident response always tell us that you should reply to certain in case of any unwanted incident. Collaborating with the certain to keep a watch on the cyberspace. If you have some information, you can definitely share with us. Regularly participating in the certain training workshop exercises. So please send your requests. So these are the different point of actions for the sectoral CCMPs. Like we should identify a member of a senior management as a point of contact. Establish a sectoral cyber crisis management committee for prepare a list of organizations that fall under the purview of sectoral CMP and provide them a list with action applied for the compliance, and direct the organization to have their own CISOs and prepare a list of CISOs complete with up-to-date contact details. So you should have with the sectoral MPs, prepare a sectoral CCMP plan on the lines with CCMP of certain. Direct the organization units to develop an organization which are also under you, so they should develop their own organizational CCMPs and participate in the cybersecurity exercises. So now we will come to the organization level CCMPs. So earlier we saw the sectoral, now we will see the organization level. In the organization level, the same things, we have to designate a CISO, and again a cyber crisis management group should be established, preparing a group of contact persons, preparing implementation the CPA CCMP, So you have to develop different type of documentation at organization level also, like developing a business continuity plan, periodically testing and auditing your system, like penetration testing. Should include penetration testing, vulnerable assessment, application security testing, web security testing. So we have a list of panel organization. You can refer there for the testing purpose. Now we finally come to the cybersecurity exercises. Cybersecurity exercises here can be divided into different types, like layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, hybrid, cyber crisis tabletop exercises. So the first layer 1 exercise is a basic level exercise. It is just a discussion, like over a setting. We are discussing that whatever plan you will be prepared, and what are the sectors certain guidelines. So we will have a proper discussion there. That will be a level 1 exercise. In layer 2 exercises, we will be providing certain artificial scenarios. So you have to see it and have to answer in that way. And third is that we will give you some live demonstrations where certain injects or live like email, phishing mail. We will be giving a system and virtual system where a phishing email will be given, and you have to answer that. How will we mitigate that problem? And the cyber crisis tabletop exercises are also it is a pen paper based exercise where you will be given different scenarios and how your preparation is there. Like you will prepare certain documentation, like these are the standard operation procedures. So we will be asking that this is a scenario and what operation SOPs you will be following. So these are the different exercises. These are the references. Okay, now I was talking about the mail ID. This is the, please note it down, exercises at cert-en.org.in. So please send your requirements. What are your requirements specific to your sector or organization? And we will definitely get back to you, and we will try to organize those exercises as soon as possible. Thank you.
Shashank ji, am I audible?
Yes.
We are
Yes,
more
yes, you are
interested
audible.
in example how like the incident was detected, what were the how the CCMP came into the play actually, and what the learnings were there, and then the 360-degree feedback to revise the CCMP actually. See, we are Shashank ji, since you are from CERT-In actually, and you have detailed more whatever is available on the website you have placed in your presentation. Okay, but we are more interested in how to actually, because we are now on the implementation stage actually. So please try to give some example.
Yes. Actually, we have a very limited time, so in this short time,
please, you take 5 minutes actually. That will be more.
It is, see, these exercises and CCMP plan is very exhaustive. So whatever I'm telling you that you should, I've wrote a mail ID. I will again write in the chat box. Please get back to us, and we will definitely connect. It is because the exercises go on a day long, 1 day, 2 day. So in that day, we can have a comprehensive overview of what those things are. So definitely come to us write to us on your requirements, and we will definitely conducting the exercises on our behalf.
Thank you.
Yes, please write to us, because we are definitely means regularly conducting these exercises. So we will be happy to if you participate. Hello. Yes. Please, I request everybody to send your request on